We're here today with Justin Tremain, Managing Director of Exore Resources. Justin, thanks for your time.
Thanks, David. Thanks for your time.
You able to share a little bit about the company, but more importantly, what have you done with the new acquisition over the last 6 months?
Yeah, well, as you alluded to, the acquisition is quite new, only 6 months old. But as a well-funded company, we started with $15 million in the bank, which is quite a unique position for an exploration company. And what that allowed us to do is to hit the ground running, and we've had 2 rigs drilling full time over that 6 months, and we've drilled over 40,000 metres in just that last 6 months. And the results speak for themselves. We're drilling our resource at one discovery, which we call Antoinette, and we've made another discovery, which is a little bit earlier stage, but looks to be a very promising discovery at an area we call Veronique.
When you acquire something and do hit the ground running, you're really testing a theory. Are the results you're getting in line with where you thought you'd be?
Yeah, when we looked at this project, we knew the potential. We think it's some of the most fertile ground you'll find in West Africa. It's an area of northern Cote d'Ivoire that's getting a lot of focus, not just from us, but other exploration companies, including the likes of Barrick and Perseus, who have nearby operating mines. So it's a proven gold belt. But the results to date have definitely exceeded our expectation. As I said, we're drilling a resource out at Antoinette, where we've had several plus 100 gram metre intersections. And you have results such as 25 metres at 7 grams per tonne, 11 metres at 12 grams per tonne, which really speak for themselves and definitely exceed our expectation. You don't often see results such as that. And then, as I said, our other area that we've focused on, Veronique, it's just early days with air core drilling, but it's a very large target of 8 kilometres long by a few kilometres wide. And we're getting exceptional, as good air core results as you could expect, and which has once again exceeded our expectation. And these are just 2 areas of what is a large package that we've put together of 1,300 square kilometres. So we've got many more targets to be testing as well. So we're very excited about the last 6 months.
Where do you look and what do you hope for going forward?
Well, when we looked at this project, we wouldn't be interested in this project if we didn't see multi-million ounce gold potential here. And that's our strategy, is to define 2-3+ million ounces here. And the results, whilst it's only 6 months into the project, the results are vindicating that decision to acquire this project 6 months ago.
So if you had to give a shareholder a 1-minute précis or a 1-minute hit list of why invest, what would you tell them?
Well, firstly, we're well funded, which is quite a unique position for an exploration company. And so we're not looking to raise money at any time in the near or medium future. And what money does is allows us to drill lots of holes. So as I said, we've drilled 40,000 metres in the last 6 months. Our plan going forward is to continue to have at least 2 rigs operating full time, which will give us about 10,000 metres of drilling per month, and ultimately drilling finds deposits.
In terms of Africa, people have different views. How have you found your operations in Africa, and particularly in Cote d'Ivoire?
Yeah, well, Cote d'Ivoire is one of the most developed countries in West Africa, and so the infrastructure is fantastic. None of our areas that we're drilling are more than 30 kilometres off a sealed highway. There's high voltage power lines wherever you look. We're only 2 hours of drive from an airport that has almost daily flights down to the capital of Abidjan. There's available drilling and assay services available in Cote d'Ivoire. There's been 5 gold mines developed in Cote d'Ivoire in the last 10 years. So there is a strong industry and a large mining and exploration industry in Cote d'Ivoire. And we've found it very easy to operate in Cote d'Ivoire. And we've also found the government to be very, very supportive of exploration and mining in Cote d'Ivoire. And our permits were recently renewed in December, which allowed us to move forward with this acquisition, which was a major confirmation of the support that the government has for bona fide exploration companies such as Exore Resources.
Exciting management, exciting results, big opportunity going forward. Justin, thanks for your time.
Thanks, David. Thanks for your time.